measure it with your fingers in there. Same screws that you used on the bottom, 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 wood screw. Remember the curved edge to the sky, flat edge to the brace. And I just put 2 in. I put my finger underneath, kind of see if there's enough space on each side. I pull it down, hold it down, and I sink those in. So that's set for now, and I'll do this other side real quick, get it evenly spaced underneath, hold it down, and that's on. Next is I come over here, I slide and make it flush to the top right there. 1 screw right in here on the top because it lets me be able to move it when I need to move it. So I'll do this other side real quick, same way. Flush it to the top, screw in the top, spread them out a little bit. Do this opposite side, the small one. Flush it to the top, slide it in. Same thing with this side, edge to the top, rounded edge to the top, hold it, flush. Boom, got that like that. So I'm going to rotate it. Horses are always good to have round top to the top. And like I was mentioning, you can pop it forward, make it flush, use 2 screws again. Sometimes these things don't sink in and you have to use a bigger screw. You will have extra 2.5 inch or 2.25 inch. It's fine. Use 1 to kind of sink the corner in or wherever. It's not going to hurt anything. It's here in the bottom. After I get done with doing all that, I put all my screws in to finish it off all the way around. And then this beam is done, or post, excuse me. Flip on the side to get these other 3 and my friend, or other 2, excuse me. You kind of want to sink them in too. You don't want to go too deep. Make them flush, look good, decent. I blew my dome from my trap. So right here you measure it, look, that's perfect. You put the 2 in here. Lock them down. Fill in all the rest of the screws. And then these 2 posts are done. I can take it over there to the area where it's going to be installed at. I got 6 more posts to do. Not 6, 4. It's done. So, as you can see, I'll show you real fast. So, all that stuff's done. The mounting brackets are done. There's screws inside there. The bolts, the screws on the bottom. And that's basically how it's supposed to look. Now I'm going to do these other ones over here next. There's the 2 smaller ones, and then I have 2 of these to do as well. So